Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bright Beginnings. Now we all discuss about a very important topic, vitamins. Vitamins are two types, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. Water soluble vitamins are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B12 and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A. Name retinol. Sources are milk, butter, egg yolk, liver, fish oil. Its functions are anti-infective, essential for synthesis of visual pigments, growth and division of epithelial cells. Effect of deficiency, night blindness. Vitamin D. Name cholecalciferol. Sources are sunlight, butter, liver, egg yolk and fish oil. Functions are regulates absorption of calcium and phosphorus in intestine, mineral deposition in bones and teeth. Effect of deficiency, rickets and osteomalacia. Vitamin E. Name tocopherol. Sources are green vegetables, oils, egg yolk, wheat, animal tissues. Its functions are essential for proper spermatogenesis, pregnancy, lactation and muscular function. Effect of deficiency, reversible sterility in female. Vitamin K. Name phyloquinone. Sources are carrots, cabbage, tomatoes, liver, egg yolk, cheese. Its functions are act as anti-hemorrhagic factor, essential for synthesis of prothrombin in liver, which is required for blood clotting. Effect of deficiency, hemorrhage. Water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B1. Name thiamine. Sources are rice, whole wheat flour, oatmeal, eggs, yeast, meat, liver. Its functions are major components of coenzyme carboxylase required for carbohydrate and amino acid metabolism. Effect of deficiency, beriberi. Vitamin B2. Name riboflavin. Sources are cheese, eggs, yeast, tomatoes, green vegetables, liver, meat, cereals. Functions are combines with phosphoric acid to coenzyme FAD, essential for oxidative metabolism. Effect of deficiency, cellulosis. Vitamin B3. Name nicotinic acid. Sources are fresh meat, liver, fish, cells, milk, pulses, yeast. Functions are active group in coenzyme NAD required for oxidative metabolism. Effect of deficiency, pellagra. Vitamin B5. Name pantothenic acid. Sources are all food, marine yeast, liver, kidneys, eggs, meat, milk, sugarcane, groundnut, tomatoes. Its functions are important component of coenzyme A required in protein and amino acid metabolism. Effect of deficiency, dermatitis. Vitamin B6. Name pyridoxine. Sources are milk, cereals, fish, meat, liver, yeast, synthesized by intestinal bacteria. Its functions are important coenzyme required in protein and amino acid metabolism. Effect of deficiency, dermatitis, anemia. Vitamin B7. Name biotin. Sources are yeast, vegetables, fruits, wheat, eggs, chocolates. Functions are essential for lipid synthesis and energy production. Effect of deficiency: skin lesions, loss of appetite, weakness, hair fall, anorexia. Vitamin B12. Name: cyanocobalamin. Sources are milk synthesized by intestinal bacteria. Its functions are required for chromosome duplication and formation of blood corpuscles. Effect of deficiency: pernicious anemia. Vitamin C. Name: ascorbic acid. Sources are lemon, orange and other citrus fruits, tomatoes, green vegetables, potatoes, carrots, pepper. Functions are essential for formation of collagen, cartilage, bones, teeth, connective tissue and RBCs, and for iron metabolism. Effect of deficiency: scurvy. Folic acid group. Sources are green vegetables and soybean. Functions are essential for synthesis of DNA and maturation of blood corpuscles. Deficiency: megaloblastic anemia.